Hi, welcome back to my channel. Over the past year, I've been working on all kinds of sewing projects, which left me with lots of leftover fabric scraps. So, I took some photos and asked AI for Christmas project ideas. And within a minute, it came back with so many creative suggestions. How awesome is that? That gave me the inspiration to get started right away. Today, I'm making Christmas stockings for the very first time. Let's see how it goes. First, I'm making the pattern using one of my old socks as a guide. You could also ask AI to generate a printable pattern if you prefer. But I decided to draft mine by hand. Let's get started. Cut the lining slightly smaller so it fits neatly inside without bunching. I angled the top line of the cuff just a little outward. That way, it's not too tight when folded over the stocking. Trim the excess fabric, but be careful not to cut the stitching. Since the cuff fabric was much stretchier than the body, I had to remove a lot of extra ease to make it fit properly. So be careful when attaching the cuff. If it's too stretched, cut it narrower than the original pattern to keep the shape nice and snug. So far, not bad at all for my first time making a Christmas stocking. Just need to be a little more patient and keep going. Honestly, I feel like this kind of a project should be done by November or even earlier, right? It's almost done. The final touch is all up to your imagination. You can add a bow, ribbon, lettering, anything you like. There's no limits. Now it's your turn to make one. Happy sewing, everyone!